What's up guys, thanks for tuning in on today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a really fun vlog. I'm going to be going around the city of Miami, just showcasing all the nice cars that are in this city, and of course some of the beautiful aspects of the city of Miami. So if this is your first time on the channel, this is my 2010 Camaro SS, and it's going to be our beautiful blue chariot of today's vlog. The sun is out today, so it's gonna be a good day, guys. The first thing on our list today, I'm gonna be going to Don Pan to get a little bit of a coffee and pan de bono, just to, you know, start off the day, to have something in my stomach. Afterwards, we're gonna head to the Key Biscayne Bridge area. Then we're gonna be going to the downtown area, which I'm super excited because I've seen awesome cars there. And then the last place on our list is going to be in the Miami Beach area. That is also gonna be a really exciting area to go to. Let's get to it. If that does not scream Miami, I really don't know what does. Alright guys, so I just made it to Don Pan. I'm gonna go ahead and get my coffee, pan de bono, and maybe like a tequeño or something, and then we'll start heading out. First, the 2020 Essential. Wow. Got the goodies here. Look what just pulled up. I think it's the LC500, the brand new Lexus that is essentially like a mini LFA, just without the V10 and the appearance in a Fast and Furious movie, but it's just a gorgeous car. All right guys, next stop, Key Biscayne. Well, there's a nice little F-Type there. Wow, there you go. Damn. What a unique color combo on a 5.0. Oh, look at that Giulia in that beautiful blue. Nice blue S2000 there. Here comes a Corvette C6. Nice. Yeah, that sounds like a beast. Here's a huge flux of cars. Hopefully we get something nice. Lexuses, Audis, look at Audis. Oh, look at this little Lambo photo shoot. This is the view that I wanted to show you guys from earlier. The entire Miami skyline. Now, I don't mean to brag about my car, but the blue is really nice, especially with like the skyline in the back, the beautiful day today. It's just like perfect. That is a really long walk, and I don't think I was prepared today to do an exercise. So I'm now on my way back down the bridge. We're gonna start heading to the downtown area. Just Miami vibing, man. That is clean as hell. So I I just finished parking the car, paid for parking, and I'm gonna start the car spotting now. It seems that I overestimated the Miami inhabitant because Brickell is actually kind of empty today. Let's not let that discourage us. We will find some nice cars today. Here we have a beautiful matte white, I believe, Model X. White and black, you can never go wrong with that. Awesome. Damn. That was clean. Beautiful red S5. You know, I never understood why the S5 used to be a coupe and now it's a sedan. What an awesome daily. That's a Boxster. Another beautiful car, the Bentley Bentayga. Light brownish i8. Sorry. Gorgeous color, gorgeous color. G65 AMG. We have this beautiful Turbo S convertible here. Ooh, it's kind of close to the curb there, buddy, but damn. Beautiful wheels, yellow calipers, red interior. That is nice. Man, we've seen a lot of these today. Damn. Look at this matte black Jeep. So I have about 30 minutes left or so on the parking. I'm actually gonna go check out the Brickell City Center, which I believe is gonna be to my right. One Rolls Royce there, second Rolls Royce, drop top, matte black. Damn, just bought too. And here it is, folks, Brickell City Center. We have yet another Rolls Royce and the TT in the back. Look at this bright orange convertible Porsche Boxster. That is nice. Gorgeous. Look at this M3. I believe that's the Portofino. And we have this Range Rover here. Like, what is this, like military green wrap? Very cool. Someone's weekend just got ruined. There you go, something I can relate to. Yo, nice, dude. Look what I just found. 720S. What a flex. Carbon hood, carbon wing. Yeah, that is something. Another Giulia and then a Gran Turismo. Very, very nice. Little boats here, little regatta going on here. And we're back with Big Blue, baby. I can't recall a time that there was never any construction going on here. Damn, an RS5. Oh, and look at this Kia. Look at this Kia rocking like the tuner wheels. All right, ladies and gentlemen, left the car parked over there. Now check this out. This right here is the American Airlines Arena, home to the Miami Heat. And pretty much this is the rest of the downtown area. That's Brickell Avenue. We're most likely gonna see some pretty awesome cars passing by there. Look at that Huracan. And then look, another Urus. Oh, two Urus. So right next to me is the Freedom Towers, which is another extremely iconic part of the Miami culture and kind of like the places to see while you're here. See, in here we got a beautiful Bentley Mulsanne just chilling here. Now here's a car I haven't seen in a while either. The Honda Civic Type R. Interesting wheel choice. I've always been fond of this car, not gonna lie. Look who's back. By the way, if you guys want to check out my review on the Giulia TI, which I believe that's what it is, you can check the link below, or you can check out the card right here. So guys, I'm just chilling right here, taking a little water break. I got about 35 minutes or so left on the clock, so just enough time to go show you the inside part of the downtown area. Then we're gonna head to our final destination, which is Miami Beach. So here you will find a lot of mom and pop shops, a lot of like jewelry stores. We fix phone repairs, a beautiful S4. Oh boy, let's see what he got in store for us. I got more for what I bargained. That was a pretty awesome tour of the downtown Brickell area, both the pre and post bridge. Now we're gonna go to our last destination, which is Miami Beach. That's not legal or safe.
Camera piece right there, bro.
It's first person view. California, just chilling. It's actually really crazy how no one out here is wearing a mask. Everybody in Brickell was wearing a mask, you know, being respectful, at least most people, but here, nothing. All right, we just parked the car next to a pretty decent Subaru WRX. Now to South Beach. Over here we have pretty much one of like the most famous places to rent exotic cars. Here we have a 488, a Huracan, nice little Boxster, top down. We'll see you. Miami Beach is not Miami Beach without having cars like this. Looks like a 2009 to 2010 Audi R8. Man, this thing is legit 10 years old and it looks so good right now. Damn. Okay. Okay. Apparently there was some form of a conflict happening at the 7-Eleven. Yo, what the what the what the Yo. So here's some positivity. Beautiful C5. I love these wheels. Absolutely love them. Woo! Bumblebee SRT. Now here's a car I haven't seen in a while. The brand new Supra. Jeez. I've never been more relieved to hear that sound. or this. Yo! Alright guys, so that concludes today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did enjoying filming this entire day of different areas of Miami and just looking for the coolest cars out there and to just show you a little bit of Miami. Guys, go ahead and comment, what was your favorite car from today's video? Let me know in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video. It really helps out with the algorithm and it'll help this video get to the top of the search list for any Miami vlogs or Miami videos or any car related videos, as a matter of fact. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, any of my vlogs, any of my reviews. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching and I will catch you next time.